Welcome back to Gear Up Windows. In this video, we will guide you on how to add a program to a startup on Windows 11. If you want to add any program to the startup so that when your Windows starts, then that program should also start, then you need to first locate the shortcut of that program. For that, if in case if you have kept your shortcut on the desktop, you can go through the desktop, or otherwise click on this one start button. Locate your program that you want to start with Windows. Right click on the program entry. Select open file location. Here you will find shortcut of that program. Right click and copy the program. Now press Windows plus R key on the keyboard. This will open run dialog box. Here type cell colon start up, then click OK. In this folder, paste the program path that you have copied, and that's all. You can close this one. You can see my program has detected that a new startup item has been added in my Windows PC. After that, close this one folder, restart your PC, and when your Windows will load, you will see that program has also started with your Windows startup. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel, kindly subscribe to Gear Up Windows. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.